Hello and welcome to another daily analysis of the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Today we're just going to drop it to the 15 or take it up to the 15 and we're just going to have a look. So through this choppy action yesterday, it's actually a little bit hard to sort of tell where the market is at the moment. So I'm just going to explain it for you. So yesterday we had this bit of structure. We made a new high here, okay, at this candle. And now we're waiting for this protected low to be broken, or after this we're waiting for this high to be broken. So what happened first was at the news, it came through there and we got a change of character, okay? And what that meant that this became our protected high, okay? So we're hoping that we're going to retest something in there, but what happened today, it just broke straight through. All right, so what that means now is that this has also become a change of character. Okay, so now we are dealing within this structure just here. Okay, so we're going to try and take a long from somewhere in there. All right, so what I've marked out, since it's super choppy because of news, the only thing that's really available to us is this little unmitigated wick down the bottom, okay, at the protected low. So all you need to do is mark the protected low, all right? And we are going to be looking for longs off of this area, okay? So what you do, you just put your long there, and then as you know, we've got the 4 pip stop. If I can get that on the dot, which I can't. All right, so then that's what that's going to look like. And then what we're going to want to see, we're going to want to see this start to curl over, come down, bit of liquidity, tap in, and then go, okay? That's what we're going to look for today, okay, until proven otherwise. What I think will probably happen today, if we look at the 4 hour, we're still within bullish structure, and I think because this high didn't make a new low, we seem to be getting a bit of a low here. That tells me that this is a weak high, okay? So we're going to be targeting this, and I'd say that we're probably going to look towards the overall highs, the swing highs over here. So what I think is probably a bit more realistic is if we were on the 15-minute, I can see us going up a bit more, retracing back to somewhere about here, and then going again, okay? Then what we would be looking for is the exact same thing. We'd be marking a break of structure here, and we'll try and get an order block or some form of supply and demand down here for us to trade off of. And I think that's a bit more likely. It's got massive moves to do. I really don't see it. It looks like it's got a lot of momentum. I don't really see it coming back all the way down to our protected low. But I think on the next piece of structure, we might be able to see something like that. And then what that would look like would be price coming down, tapping in, and then going, okay? So that's ideally what we're going to be looking for today. If we break through this low, we'll then get a break of structure, and then we'll look for some zones up there, okay? So we know how to attack it. We've got plenty of scenarios that we know that we can face. Remember to react, don't predict, and you guys should be fine. So today, we're looking at longs. I think it really aligns externally. Externally, I think it looks really solid to try and run these highs, okay? So the next few days, yeah, I think we're really going to be targeting longs to try and wipe this out and get some new structure. So we'll see how we go. Yeah. If you've made it this far, make sure to like, subscribe, comment. And yeah, that's all from me. Good luck. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know.